Now, there's a number of fitness devices. The first one is called a spirometer. And you hold it up, and you hold your nose, and you blow into it, and it measures your lung capacity. These cost about $125 each. You only need one, but you will need mouthpieces. And I would recommend getting the plastic mouthpieces because you can clean them with bleach and water and use them over and over again. And what we do is we have kids compare their lung capacity to what's recommended, monitor it over time, or research the meaning of it. There is some evidence to suggest that if you're physically active, your lung capacity will increase. There's definitely research to show that if you're a smoker, it will decrease. So you may want to play into that with your health classes. This is a peak flow meter, same type of device in the sense that you hold your nose and blow into it, but it does not measure lung capacity. It measures the speed at which you expel the air from your lungs. And it's often used with students who are asthmatic. And I think they cost about $20, but usually hospitals will give them away to you. And you can have kids use it, and they can compare their peak flow to what's recommended, monitor it over time, research what it means. And if you do have students who are asthmatic, as long as their score remains the same on this, then their medication is working and they can be physically active. If it drops, that's when you want to change their activity for the day. And again, if they are on medication, they no doubt have their own peak flow meter you can have them use. How many of you use electronic blood pressure devices? Okay, I do not recommend the ones on the wrist, on the wrist. Those are not accurate. As long as it goes around the cuff, it's accurate. The most accurate, if you can see here, you pump this up, that's not the most accurate. On some of them, there's a button, you press the button, it automatically inflates. Those are the most accurate. They run about $80 and you only need one. Use it as a screening device. Have kids research what it means, compare it over time, compare it to what's recommended.